GoHighLevel is a very powerful piece of software. Every subaccount can contain a lot of different kinds of information. The native search within it, though, is very limited. GHL Plugins has come up with global search in order to enhance that native search capability. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the new global search and how to use it within the subaccount. Let's get started. After you've logged into the dashboard of GHL Plugins, you're going to go over to Integrations on the top menu, and then you'll choose Global Search. When you come to this page, you'll have a couple different choices that you can choose from. First, you're going to enable the service. After that, you're going to use your agency to link all the accounts. As you probably just saw, there was a location for me to add each location very specifically if I only want it on specific accounts. Because I want to have it throughout my whole system, I'm going to leave it just like this, and then I'll hit submit. After you've done this step, it'll be installed in every sub-account within your GHL white label. Without the global search, if you type in here for search and you just type something in, you get your basic information. Now when you go to search and you start typing in a word, you'll see that there are so many more areas that you can now go into within the search. Before it was just the top 4, but now it's not only that, it's custom fields, custom values, workflows, reputation, conversations, marketing, calendars, sites, tags, and settings. So that way you can find so much more. So if I type in something like purchase, I can see all the settings, all the workflows, and all the tags that work with that. And then if I click on one, you'll notice that that tag opens right up where I can get to it immediately without having to go into the back end and click on the tag. It's just brought up immediately in the modal for me to work on, which makes it so much faster when you're working on tasks within your system. This is an amazing addition to GHL Plugins, which allows us to work so much more efficiently within our system. I'll see you in the next video.